All right, this is my notification. I want to see some identification. No, sure. Wait for permit.
Oh, okay.
You all together?
Yes.
Let's see your ID then too. Where's your ID? This is all you got? Where you from? You just moved home from where? From where? New York. You don't have any other ID besides a passport? Is there a particular reason why you're filming me, ma'am?
Just for documentation.
For what?
Just nothing. Just documenting. She films everywhere we go. I film. I'm 22.
How old are you?
19.
You?
18. 24.
What are y'all, like family or something?
Yeah.
Where y'all going?
Family.
Okay. All right. Are you all done in here?
Yep.
Are you headed somewhere else?
To our car. To our car.
Okay. Why don't you step out here with me then?
Okay. Okay. Are we being detained? He has our IDs.
Who else is with you?
My friend right here.
You're with him? Yes. That's my ID also? I do. Can I see it, please?
Sure. Let me have my phone. Am I being suspected of something?
I don't know. I just get a call, and that's the reason I'm here. I'm wanting to see some identification.
Oh.
Do you have your identification I can see?
I do.
I'd like to see it then.
Okay. Is there? Did I break a law or anything?
Okay. I'm wanting to see your identification, please.
Okay. I'll show you my ID.
That's what I'm asking for.
Just wondering
And I
if
want
I-
everybody to step over here with me. Okay?
Has the law been broken, sir?
I don't know yet. That's what I'm trying to determine here. Okay? Are you guys here as well?
Yeah.
We're just with them.
You're with them also.
They're with them.
You're all traveling together.
Yeah, we're all traveling.
Okay.
We're a big family.
You have some identification too. Okay.
I don't have a gun on me, though.
Okay, that's fine. I'm still trying to figure out what's going on.
All we were doing was getting some food. Ordinary citizens, ordinary citizens of America.
Any particular reason why you got to film me too?
Oh, I have a First Amendment right.
It's kind of like
Is this what you normally do? Travel from town to town filming everybody?
No, sir. I actually have a YouTube channel, and we actually look for police officers who will obey their oath to, the Constitution. And I'm just trying to show people that there are law enforcement officers that are obeying the Constitution. So I fully expect you to obey the Second Amendment. And I just want to show, because there's so many people out there that don't obey the Second Amendment. You know what the Second Amendment is. Right to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed.
Now let me explain something to you.
Okay.
Any business around here does have the right to refuse you
Absolutely. That's why I look
to
on
carry a
the
weapon.
That's why I look on the doors for no
And they
weapons.
also have the right in this state as well to tell you if you have it to remove yourself, even if it's
Absolutely.
not posted.
And I obey.
they do
I
have that
completely
right.
comply to
You
me.
understand that?
Absolutely, sir.
All
Thank
right,
you.
that's what we need to make sure.
That's why before I walk into an establishment, I try to look for the sign that says, no firearms allowed.
Understand that. All right. Let me run all this real quick, and we're gonna find out what. folks who very good then. Let me run. Everybody over here, please. That way we're not making a big scene for everybody to have to stand around and look at us, all right?
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. Are y'all family?
Yeah. Not everyone.
No. We're really close friends.
Family.
No, it's annoying that. What are they doing?
I don't know. We were just shopping at Walmart or citizens who obey
She
the.
having a pistol on.
What I have a second.
Right or wrong?
I have a Second Amendment right to carry a firearm and protect others, and in case there's
Is
a
he a part of
criminal
this
walking
group?
around.
I am not part of that group. It just
no.
annoys
Move on, sir.
me. So you get the name of Jesus on you, but you're stirring it up.
It's not our fault. We weren't stirring anything up.
If we would have thought it stirred up
Folks.
something, we wouldn't have done anything.
Folks, I asked you, please step over here and stay over there, all right?
Sorry, sir.
Do as I asked you, okay? Get along just fine.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, One Truth for Life, right here on YouTube. For updates and additional content, follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/OneTruthForLife and on Twitter at One Truth for Life.